Welcome to CondoLogie.
Let's go to work. I'm CondoBot. Since our last video, I would tell you that all contributions and then all bill payments have been updated. So, if we go inside the budget items and then go to our register of follow-up or payment, if we go down to the payments level, we can see that the payments are up to date. If we go to the register of condominium, we go to the follow-up and contributions, we can see that our contributions are scheduled for the 1st of next month. Same thing at the syndicate level. In the register of syndicate report, they are also on the 1st of next month. Well, now, we are in CondoLogie working on the management, administration of communications. Then in a future video, we will have the opportunity to see how CondoLogie proceeds automatically for the collection and then the recovery of the common charges or condo fees. I have already downloaded all the models. But if you go to the CondoLogie site and then scroll down to the bottom of the website, you will find a page that is completely dedicated to email communications. So all the models are here. I have already downloaded them. So now, what remains to do is to adjust the model to the reality of your condominium. You are already in administration of your condominium. You probably already have your models. But there are some here that are made for just about every situation. So, if we wanted, we could update the models. So we're going to say, CondoLogie Manor. The address, 123, it's a fictitious address. Rue Notre Dame, Montreal. I'm doing this in front of you in real time. Okay. The time it takes me is the time it should take you. Okay. Your syndicate's phone. We're going to put a fictitious phone. Okay. 567-88-889. Let's say, for example. Then, here's the email address. mycondo@condo.ca. Okay, we can consider that all the entries of each of the models are made the same way. So it's easy to update them, and then here, I place them on top of each other. We are in the resolution template, but if we go to the meeting agenda, we can just highlight and then transfer our data. So once that's done, at that point, we can come and save our model. So, have it saved under. We're going to place it in a file where it will be easy to return the search in our communications. So at that point, we save the model. Okay, so that's it for the models. We can do it like this for each of the models that are there to update them. We save them, and after that, we are ready to use them.